really picking up. I don't think he knows what he's doing.
It looks like he's playing with like a child. We're living that guy's childhood.
Right? What movie did we see like that?
I don't know.
Honey, I Shrunk the Kids or something?
I'm not sure.
They got Rick Moranis up in there.
It's going all the way up high.
They're building a seawall. I don't know if this contraption has anything to do with that. Don't stand too close because this guy is special.
I got
Why is it coming closer to us? Look, I'm recording.
Oh my god.
I doubt he's here to play. He probably just trying to get the hang of it first. Maybe they're on break and somebody wants to learn. They're learning it. I don't know. They're learning, Mama. Come on.
I want to be a Sandy.
He's getting closer. Where are you going, sir? He's smiling too. Ain't nobody play with your ass. Hurry up, because he's here. Hurry up. So today is October 25th, 2022. This might be, well, no. It's the 10th. It's been 10 years since Hurricane Sandy savagely visited the East Coast. It might be tomorrow, the 26th. Today is the 25th, but it's definitely the 10th year anniversary. And a lot has gotten done. There's still stuff that needs to get done and fixed and rebuilt. But Far Rockaway has come a long way. It's really, really, really nice today. Consider. What is going on? So what was that? Right, so Long Island is affected. South Jersey, a lot of the East, not a lot, but several parts of the East Coast was affected and came back even better than it was. Glory be to God and to these hardworking people.
Nothing. We didn't say you were.
They're saying I'm slow as a sloth. So maybe I throw them in the beach. No, God forbid, never.
You can't say it won't. I mean, who's on your one shoe?
Well, that's it. Today's short. Enjoy. Yesterday was Diwali. If you're not